Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how to make memes like super quick using Canva and just like stuff you can get on Google Images. So let's make some P Diddy music memes. I like this one. Okay, so I just go to here. Let's start from the beginning. Images.google.com, and then I go P Diddy music video. Because I know his music videos are like fucking really cool. And yeah, this one, so this is like a thumbnail. Basically, anyway, it doesn't matter where it's from, but what you want to look at is the image dimensions right here, 1200 by 800. So I can just copy this image, and then I go to Canva. This is canva.com. If you haven't signed up, you can sign up with your Google account really quick. Anyway, then you just go create design, and you use those dimensions that we saw, 1200 by, what was it, 900? I'll just check that quick. 1200 by 800. Okay, 1200 by 800. So we use the exact dimensions of that, and then we already copied that image, so we can just paste it. You know, Control V or right click, paste, like that. And it should be the exact same size. So you just stretch it to the size of the canvas, and then there you go. So it won't be blurry that way. And you can just make sure that it's like on the edge properly by clicking off of it. Yeah, so that's perfect. Now, you know, for the meme that I'm making, we're using some cutouts. We're doing like that rough user generated look. It's kind of funny. And this is for P Kitty. And so I'm just gonna put the cat head on P Diddy. Now, I kind of like to like really highlight the figure, like the person in a meme. So I'll make it bigger because in that image, like he's too small, and so I don't think it'll be as good. Something like that is good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip this so that his head is actually in the same direction like that. And then I'll resize it, just dragging that like that. And then you can rotate it like that. And there you go. It's almost done. Now, I like to color match a little bit. So on this photo, I go edit photo. And then there's filters in Canva. They're all free. Everything's like free. Well, not everything, but most of it. And so this is kind of like an orangey color scheme. So I might choose like this rustic. So that actually looks pretty good. It matches. It makes the fire lighting effect looks pretty good. So I'm pretty satisfied with that. Now, that's okay. But to go the extra level, I like to add bubbles. So you go speech bubble. So sorry, you go over to the side here and click elements, and then search for speech bubble, and then you can go see all for graphics. And then you want to okay, if you want to make sure it doesn't have this pro, because those are paid. If you want to upgrade and get a paid Canva, then you have access to like all the images and all the graphics and all the features and all the filters. And I think it's like $15 a month or something, but I don't do it right now. I did for a while, but I don't know. I just get by with this. So for this, we could use something. You know, you can kind of find something like a funny one, a funny speech bubble. You know, something like this maybe. It's got a little bit of this thing on it, and then you can change the color like that, and then maybe the background. I'm gonna make that darker so it stands out, or even make it red or something like that. I don't know. Can't get too fussy with it. So if I go orange on that, like that might be funny. Would that be funny? I don't know. Maybe pink or like purple. Okay, brown. How about brown? Okay, anyway. So then I'd like twist it up a bit, resize it, and then I put something funny. So he's saying something funny. I don't know what the fuck he's gonna say yet, but we'll find out. Maybe something like, Okay, so now you have a speech bubble on there. You got the head and you got the base image, so that's all good. And then we put a filter on that, if you remember. And then all we have left to do is put some text on it. So for this, yeah, like P Diddy lyrics. You know, find something funny. I need a girl. I need a girl to ride. I want a girl to ride. Yeah, maybe something like that. Sorry, see, I was working on another one there. So I'll just put that in there, you know, just for an example. And then I'm going to look for a comic font. So here's the font. And then I go comic, and there's a bunch of different kinds. Like there's this one, you can see what it looks like. This one is kind of fun. I don't know, for me, I like to make sure everything, I can read it. Like the good design is all about making it readable. So, you know, maybe lazy dog. And then I need a girl to ride. So maybe it would be I need a cat to ride. You know, something like that. And then I don't know, you could do that. You know, sort of like play with it, make it sort of funny. Now, because it's music and he's probably singing, in that case, we might even want to look for like. So again, we go over to the side, we go to musical note or elements, and then in the search bar, click music notes or type music notes, and you want to search for the free ones. Here's some free ones. So, you know, we could just throw that on there like this, just so that it, you know, it's music-y. And, you know, there's a couple more. Music is, funny, you know. Maybe that looks good. I don't know. Does that look good? That's pretty good. Yeah, it's too like it needs to be more like. I like this. I might just get rid of this. I don't know. Put that over here, and then I could even change the color and go like orange on that or something. Yellow. Yeah. See. So that's subtle. It blends into the background, and there's like more of a musical element. You could even like, you know, make it bigger, and then it blends in. Because if you have high contrast, that's where your eye's going to go. So if I put this here, like your eye's going to go right there, and that's annoying. So that's one of the principles of design as well. If something's in the background, you make it faded, and you know, where you want the attention to go, that's the highest level of contrast. You can't get more high contrast than black and white. So I don't like this text. This needs to be adjusted. And then maybe, yeah, it's kind of tough with the size of this thing. I might just want to increase the size of that. And then just like, you know, fuck with it. That's not, well, that's actually not good. These musical notes are making it complicated. I need a girl to ride. I need a cat to ride. Yeah, see, something like that is kind of funny. I start getting really picky with all these elements because if it looks awkward, then it just pisses me off. And a lot of times it does because I try to put too much in there. And then it's harder to make it work. But also like lines, like this is a diagonal line between these two notes, and you know, so that, you know, you want to work with that. I don't know, what do you think? Do you think that's good? You know, just like really you can even do text effects, so I can put that on a curve like this, which I'm not going to do, but that's funny too. And then I can like take the curve down, but I guess it's all in one line, so that's not going to work. So we're not going to do that. But I need a cat to ride. I don't know. That's probably good enough for a meme. And then maybe I'll just like copy this one down here and put it over here too, just to really jazz it up. And you know, maybe to make it even funnier, I'll put a big head on him. you know, so that it stands out more. I mean, even like see what it's like if it's like super big, you know. I mean, that's kind of funnier actually. So you know, you play with this stuff, and you get it till it's like funny and, you know, good. But yeah, maybe that's too complicated there. See if you can group grab shit. I don't like how that's moving into the fire, but this is almost good. I need a cat to ride. I think that head is too big now, just a little too big, a little too funny. Yeah, but like that, man. And then because this is for a promo or like for crypto, I might actually put the symbol of the token on here too. So it's like almost like a little ad. I mean, this is really going the extra step, but why not, right? And yeah, so there. That's pretty good. And if you want to mess with colors, you just select the text and click that color thing. And then maybe I can go like this. I don't know, like white, see what white looks like. Pea kitty, yellow, orange, blue. Oh, yeah. When you start messing with colors, it gets complicated real quick. But could just stick with black. And then, you know, you can do text effects. So I can see, that's kind of fun. This is a glitch effect, so that kind of makes it pop a little bit more. Yeah, so there you go. There's a meme. And if I want to even make that even bigger, and then just like add some, you know, tilt it so it's like more fun, you know, dancing around and shit. And, you know, try and tilt this head a little bit too. Like, you got to grab this tilt. You know, just see what it looks like. Maybe like that. Yeah, man. So that's how you do it. That's how you make a meme, like, pretty quick. And yeah, you can throw that in your Telegram. You can put it on Twitter. And you can do a bunch of these, like, really quick. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, like, share, and subscribe. Follow my channel. We're doing calls all the time, covering all the new crypto memes, and yeah, we're up to like 75 members and rising. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the flip side, guys. Yeah, pick up some P Kitty. It's at a great price, and we're sending this shit.